All right, guys, we got the front of it off and got the clip ready. Not ready, but almost ready. See, we got this thing cut off and pulled out here. It took everything my tractor had to do that. It's a lot heavier than I thought it was. Especially out here on the end of these forks. If it was back here, it might do it. But anyway, we got it off. Fairly decent. I've got to clean these edges up, and then I got to start measuring. I got to clean some of this stuff here off of it, get it cleaned up a little bit, get those engine mounts. I think I may use those. I don't know. I may keep them on there and use them. Got to measure the width, cut this down, try and slide it in there as easily as possible. And what I may end up doing is putting some wheels on here or something to help me roll it in. But anyway, I got to clean this up, get some weight off of it. I can get the steering box off and some of this stuff. I gotta leave the rotors on, or the rotors I gotta leave on so I can put that plate on it and line it back up to this. This doesn't even matter anymore. It's that plate that I've got to put back on and all. But here's where we've gotten to, and with not that much effort, and we'll see. I may have to add some more back to this. I don't know yet. I've got to cut these off and clean those up. So I got a good bit of work to do on this to get it ready to go back in and to get it all lined up. So check us out, stick with it. We'll get this thing rolling soon, hopefully. And we'll keep pressing forward. Thanks a lot.